Hey, cutie.
Hey, what's up, sexy?
I'm on the toilet.
That's nice, dude. I'm glad to hear you're defecating properly or something. What's up, mechanical?
Guess what, mechanical?
What's up, guys?
What's up?
I'm pooping right now.
I didn't need to know all that.
Yeah, I agree that I also did not need to know all that. But if you got to get it off your chest or, I don't know, out of your body, you know, just let it out, dude.
Gotta get it out my ass.
There you go.
Yo, chill,
Chill, bro.
That,
Yeah.
No one needs to know that.
No one needs to know that. First party. Okay. Great
Can I
so far.
learn residuals more?
Can you learn residuals? Dude, I don't even know what else I can tell you about residuals. Habibs, what's up? Good to see you, bro.
Oh, you know what we could do?
Are you learning anything new in your math class besides like what like residuals are, dog?
Yes. Okay.
I would
hold
hope
up.
so.
I got
Please,
you,
dude.
I got you. Right. Hold up. Just give me 1 second.
All
Right.
right, I'm gonna give
Let
you
me
a
just hit
second,
you with
dude.
this 500 MT real quick on Twitch. Right.
Dude. Collect. I need to start making. I want to put some cool like animations and stuff when like you guys buy channel rewards and stuff. That's like my next project. This project this weekend was getting the green screen set up. So I got the green screen set up. So next weekend is the channel rewards.
Oh my god.
Here we go. Bum.
Jeez, I forgot. Alright. Just get me then. I don't know.
You forgot your homework question already, dude. What?
Nah, I don't have homework today because like we're gonna do like the math test tomorrow and stuff. It's basically just y-intercepts and stuff.
Okay. You're doing y-intercepts? You can ask a question about y-intercepts, dude. That's totally cool. Can Dark Aspect give me 8 coins in the server? No, only graduates can give and receive coins. What's it asking?
Question. Oh.
Friend request. What's Raiden saying? Hey, Gold, I'm back. My cousin at my phone. Oh, nice. Nice. Welcome back.
Wait, so
What's up, Kai, dude? Good to see you, bro. Kai's in the chat. Coral is calling me, dude. You can't. No, Coral, you can't call me during a stream. People trying to call me during the stream, dude. Like, chill. What's up, Icy? I'm streaming right now. You can come ask a
I'm at
question.
my friend's
dude.
house. He didn't mean to do that. Sorry.
It's okay. It's all right. All right. Let's see. What happened while I was gone? I don't know what happened. Down. Let me see what's an office hour is. Okay, good. First time chat from viewer. What's up, Voke, dude? What's up? I can't join office hours. Oh, yeah, you're in office hours, aren't you? Aren't you good?
Yeah.
Okay. No, someone was having that issue. Jack like couldn't join any of my voice channels yesterday for some reason, and I was like, "What? Did I ban him?"
Okay. It's probably with his roles. Something probably happened with
Right?
channel
That's what I was
roles.
trying to ask, but I don't think I have any role requirements on anything here.
No. It looks like on office hours it has like that little lock right there, so it's limited to some degree. So maybe that's why.
Oh,
Nah,
you're right.
like so for them, Demented, they have to go to the waiting room.
Yeah, no.
And then Dr.
You
Gold
are
will
right.
put
It is
up
locked to an extent, but I have it so that if you're a
Oh,
student,
oh
you can
my-
access it. So all students can access it.
All right.
Do you want me to do another bond coin for the rest of the 1,100 MT coins? Yeah, you can do that. Just make sure you tell me when you redeem it. Okay. Your boy Mark says I want to know dividing fractions. That's cool. Yeah, we can do dividing fractions. Do you have a
dividing
question?
fractions. When was the last time I did those?
Sure, dog.
Easy. That was a while ago.
That's a good question.
Yeah.
I can't join Office Hours VC, but I'm in Twitch. Can I get my question? Yeah, sure. Okay. Okay, dividing fractions. That's a cool one. Okay. Yeah, I like dividing fractions. Icy. Hi, Icy, dude. Hi, Icy. I don't mean to be awkward. Sorry. I'm dealing with saying hello to people in 2 different chats. Bad role model. Mechanical, you should be helping your cousin. You should be, bro. What? He's your cousin, dude.
I didn't even see him for the last 2 days
What is your
because
cousin, dog?
school and stuff. His school is not next to my house, so
Okay.
he has to get drove there. So
I mean, yeah, but can't you guys just, talk on
Are you-
Discord like
Yeah, be
currently?
yo, dog, let me help you out with the
he
fractions.
doesn't even ask me for help.
It's okay. I mean, that's
Okay,
the
then
whole
it's
thing.
not your fault. It is completely his fault.
Yeah. Test.
Shift the blame to him so you look like the good guy.
All right, your boy Mark. We're gonna do
We're
some quick things with dividing fractions because dividing fractions are pretty cool, dude. And actually, there's a whole fucking song that I learned to it. Do you guys remember the song?
There's a song.
There's a song, dude. There's a song to everything, dude. Dividing fractions.
I'm done
easy as
using the
pie.
bathroom.
Thank you. What? Jesus, what? Cipher, dog?
Expired.
You what? No one needed to hear.
No
that,
one
right?
needed to know that.
I made sure I wiped.
I just said that's dope. All right, now I'm
Can
scared.
I mute him for the rest of the session?
No,
please?
no, it's
No.
okay. Cypher, just play nice, dude. Play nice. Also, Cypher, you're always allowed to make jokes with me, but just like chilling the jokes with other people. Okay, there is a song. It's dividing fractions easy as pie. Flip the second and multiply. Sounds like something you would sing at a football game or something, or I don't know, at a bar.
Oh, I remember that.
Yeah, your boy Mark's
One
like,
time, like, fourth
what?
grade.
Ha ha ha. Yeah, dude. There's a fucking
I
song,
drink some
dude.
water real quick.
You
Oh
did
no.
dividing fraction in 4th grade? What the hell?
Damn, dude. I don't know who's been doing that in
I was
fourth
a
grade.
smart fourth grader. Fuck you.
Damn, dude. Now what?
What do you
dude?
mean 4th grade? We did that like way until like 7th grade.
Oh, Mark
Look,
redeemed
you-
500 MT. That's cool.
Yo, nice. Yes, nice, Mark. Dude.
I'm really-
All right, here we go. Here's how you divide fractions. So first of all, before you
I'm
divide
talking.
fractions, you need to make sure that they are not a mixed fraction. Do you guys know what a mixed fraction is?
Yeah, it's like
Isn't
one
that
that
like
has
an
like that
improper
big
fraction?
number. It's like an improper one, but it has like that big number at the side.
Yeah. So in it, okay. So
It's like 2 wholes and like 3/4.
yeah, exactly. So regular fractions. These are what regular fractions are. Regular fractions is shit that looks like like 1/3 or 2/5 or something, right? Okay. Improper fractions. Does anyone know what technically an improper fraction is?
It's like the numerator is larger than the
4 over
denominator.
3.
Yes, dude. Yes, 4/3. Yes. Anytime the numerator here is bigger than the denominator, that's an improper fraction. 4/3 or like 7/2 or some shit. Okay, cool. Then what we have are called mixed fractions, which this is what you said, Demented. It's whenever you have
Yeah,
like
2
that.
wholes over 3/4.
Yeah, it's when like you have like a big number, and then you have like a fraction next to it. What do you mean? I need a test or a major grade in the good grades? Yeah, you need a test grade or a major grade. Yeah, like for you guys getting credit in the fucking good grades chat, just show me a test grade that you got a good score on. That's literally all you got to do. All right, so mixed fractions is anytime you have like a big number and then you have like, for instance, 5 and 1/6 or like 3 and 2/3. These are called mixed fractions because what they have is, as Demented say, they have the whole number, right? And then they have the fraction part. So when dividing fractions, what you have to do is you need everything to be either a regular fraction or an improper fraction. So here's an example. Let's say that I'm trying to think something that has fractions in it.
3 over 5.
No, but I want something like a mixed number with a fraction. Let's say, okay, here we go. Let's say Cypher. You still here, dog? You still here, Cypher? Did he leave?
Yeah, maybe like
I'm making up
2.
Here, I got it. Here, let's say Cypher took
I have a lighter.
took a big dump. Cypher took a big dump, dude. Okay.
Oh yeah, yeah.
That
Perfect
was
example.
7 3/4 inches long. Okay. Like,
Hey, you didn't measure that. What the heck?
I don't know. Cypher went to fucking Chipotle or something. He got the double
Why are
meat.
you measuring my shit, dude?
I don't know. You're the one measuring your shit, dude. I'm just writing about it, dude. All right.
Hey,
so-
you-
Cypher took a big dump that was 7 3/4 inches long. He wants to bury
Barry, what?
his
I would've buried
his
what?
child. He wants to bury his child into
Yo,
3
what the hell?
separate parts. Okay. Like, see,
God
like
have mercy.
he wants to
Why
take
you, like,
this 7 3/4 inch piece of ex Chipotle and he wants to divide it into 3 parts. Whatever. Let's say he's part of like some weird ass fucking cult, dude. And that's what they do, dude. All right. The question they could ask here is like, how long should the graves be?
59 million inches.
Wait, so am I burying like an actual child, or am I burying? My
No,
shit?
your child is your poop. Yeah, we'll say it's your poop.
Okay. I thought,
Okay,
I
thank
thought
you for clearing that up because that was
Thank
horrifying.
you.
Yeah, it's not his actual child.
Yeah.
I always say this like so that this festival I had during Halloween, it's in the middle of the desert, so there are no bathrooms. Like you have to go literally. Yeah, I know. It's real like Burning Man type shit, dude. Where like
Oh, fuck, I'm sorry.
you gotta go like into the woods and you gotta dig a hole and then you gotta like take a shit in the hole. And I always say it's kind of like you're like burying like a part of yourself, like you're burying your child or something. I don't know.
Imagine something
my
grows
God.
later on with that.
All right.
Yes, plants
Okay,
do grow
so
from that,
the
letting you know.
how could I represent how long each one of his poop pieces needs to be if I need to
Literally,
divide it
quick
into
bullet.
three?
You would divide by 3.
Good, very good. Good, that's dope, dude. So 7 3/4 inches is what we're gonna divide into 3 parts. Good. Okay, exactly. So this is what you were asking for, you boy, Mark. Yeah. What were the fractions? The fractions are 7 3/4 and dividing it into 3 parts. Okay. Nice. Okay, cool. So here's what we have to do. So the first thing we have to do is, do you notice how this amount here, this 7 3/4, what type of fraction is this?
Improper.
It's not improper. It's something else.
Mixed.
Mix.
Yes, sir.
This is mixed. Okay. This is a mixed
I
fraction.
get those mixed up too.
So before we can do anything with fractions, I need to make them either improper or regular. I can't do shit with mixed fractions. I can't do shit with mixed fractions about shit. So
Don't you add the 7 to like the top and bottom?
now, okay. So here's what you do. You always take the bottom number, you multiply it by this one, and you add it
Okay.
to this one. Okay. So how could I
So
write
it'd be 10/28.
10/28? No, not quite. So here's
What do you mean
Here's-
not quite? It's 7 times 4. 7 times 4
is 28. Good.
And then the top would be 10, so it'd be 10/28.
Oh wait, no. You add. Oh, sorry. No. So So here's what it is.
You're making them feel stupid.
No, he's okay. He
I
has it.
feel
No,
stupid.
no, you're not stupid, dude. You're okay. I honestly, I'm stupid because like I explained it wrong. Okay, please, Dr. Gold. I find it hard when someone answers for me. Can I answer my questions? Yes, you can. Yes.
No.
Okay. Okay. So when we want to convert this, what you always do, if you ever have A, B over C, okay, you're gonna do C times A plus B. That's what it is. You do this times this plus this. Okay.
So it'd be 7
Good.
times 4,
Good.
which is 28, and then 7. Oh, would it be 28 plus?
Good.
3
28
or
plus
7?
3. No. So
Yeah,
you do the multiplication. This is also a PEMDAS thing, right? So 7
Oh
times
yeah,
4.
oh no, we know as bend mass brackets exponents.
Good. Very good, you boy, Mark. Yeah. Oh fuck, I hit the wrong thing. Jesus. Ugh. Okay, there we go.
Password leaked. Oh my god.
Yeah.
What
No.
was it? Bamda?
Password is
PEMDAS.
Glizzy.
Glizzy, which I learned
Henry,
means hot dogs.
So it'd be
You guys say it's
31.
31. Good.
DJ
Yeah.
and-
Good, guys. This is 31. But okay, but this is 31, right? But then it's equal to 31 over what?
Over 100.
No. So it's always C times A plus B over 4. Yes, good, you boy, Mark. Yeah, good. Over what the original bottom of the fraction was. Okay, so this is gonna be 31 fourths.
all right. Okay,
Cool.
now that makes sense.
All right. So this is now 31 over 4, and we're dividing it by 3. Okay. So this is where the song comes in, okay, where we say dividing fractions is easy as pie.
You flip it.
Flip the second and multiply, right? Which one's the second number here?
4.
No. No,
Well,
not
it'd
31.
be 31, 4.
No. 3. This is the second number, guys, right? Dividing, these are two fractions, right? I'm going to flip the
Oh
second
my
one.
god, I looked at it separately. Oh my god, because
It's
I looked
okay.
at 31,
This is a
4
number
and
as well,
3.
but like this whole thing is what I talk about, the whole number. So I got to flip this.
alright.
Does anyone know how you flip 3? What happens when you flip 3?
3 over 1.
Don't you put like a 1
Negative.
under it?
No, you guys are all kind of close.
3 over 1.
One
Well,
over
3 over
No, 1
3.
over 3.
Good. It's 1 over
1 over
3.
3.
Yeah. So 3 would be 3 over 1 as a fraction, right? Because any way to write a number as a fraction is just divide it by 1, right? So if we have 3, we can write that as 3 over 1. And now when I flip that, what happens when I flip this?
Would be 1 over 3.
Good, your boy Mark. Yeah, good. Yes, 1 over 3. Good. So
Boy, Mark, what?
yeah, well, both of you got it right. You got it right and Demented.
Oh.
Yeah. Because
I got confused about
your boy
that.
Mark's he's in the Twitch and you're in the voice chat, so I'm seeing both of you guys answer it.
Oh,
Yeah,
all right. Let me get on the Twitch so I don't get confused.
Oh, you're all good. Okay. It's better if I was
I don't
called
like
Mark.
it.
Okay,
Fucking
okay,
nice.
I'll call you Mark, dude. That's cool, man. You guys come up with whatever you want me to call you. Just don't make it fucking weird. Like, Mark is cool.
I want to be called Daddy.
No, you can't be called
I
Daddy.
knew it. Someone was gonna say.
I knew someone was
knew
gonna
it.
do that.
Glizzy
shit.
Gobbler
I know.
34? I'm not gonna call you
It's
Glizzy
your
Gobbler
boy,
34.
Skinny penis.
Skinny penis? What? All right. So again, remember,
Dr. Octavian nuts.
we flip the second and we multiply it, right? So instead of dividing by 3/1, I'm gonna multiply it by what?
It's the reciprocal.
Yeah, what is the reciprocal, guys? Multiply by what?
1/3.
1/3.
I'm going to guess.
Okay, cool. All right. Last step here. Last step is, yes, very good. Yeah, very good, Mark. Okay.
Multiply straight across.
You gotta multiply these. Yes, butterfly. Interesting. What does butterfly mean? Mark.
Butterfly is basically where you would go 31 times 3 and then 1 times 4.
No,
Interesting. Yeah, okay, so I call that cross multiplying. Okay, guys, so the only time you do
Yeah.
that shit is when you have an equal sign in between them. The butterfly needs to have the equal sign, right?
Yeah.
That's when you do this. That's when you do A times D is equal to C times B. That's the only time, right? If I just have, like, times, right? This is not a butterfly. I mean, I guess maybe it kind of looks like a, but like, butterflies have the equal sign. They don't have the X sign. I don't know. Yeah, no. This is multiplying. What's up, Philip? Dude, you're in the Twitch too. First and you have all these cool badges on you, dude. Where'd you get all these badges?
From you.
At your mom's house.
Yeah, damn, dude. I think
I'm a founder badge. I'm a prime badge.
Oh,
and-
wow.
Oh, he's been a follower. He's been, I think, the first sub. I think.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
One of the first prime or paid subscribers from the server.
Oh, that's sick, dude. Nice. Okay, cool. All right, but yeah, okay. In order to multiply two fractions, guys, what we do is we multiply the top, right, which is 31 times 1, and then we multiply the bottom, which is 4 times 3.
So it'd be
What would it end up being?
31 over 12.
Good, very good. 31. Oh, yes, very good, Mark too. Yeah, 31 over 12. Awesome.
Wait.
Okay, cool.
Thank
It
you.
didn't show that I resubbed.
Does it not? It'll come up eventually.
No.
No, give it a second.
Yeah.
Give it a second. Give it a second. It'll come up. It lags sometimes, dude. Because I've seen that happen before. But I appreciate the resub because I do see 10 subscribers on my page, which I appreciate.
You're okay.
Yeah, it did that to me too. And I was like, what?
There you go. See, it just came up. See. Thank you, Philip. Subscribe for 3 months. Oh, dude, you're about to have the 3-month badge, dude. What? I think you're the first person with the 3-month badge.
I'm the founder.
I don't think you
Founder
have
of
a
the 3-month
3-month
subscriber.
badge.
Yeah, that's fucking cool,
Hey,
dude.
Dr. Gold.
Wow, dude, you got 3 months of a sub, dude. I'd like to thank the Academy. I'd like to thank,
You're welcome.
Hydrate now. Hydrate.
I do need to hydrate. dude.
Hydrate.
Thank you. I will hydrate. Okay, so
Hey, Dr. Gold.
yeah.
What are we gonna be playing for recess?
Okay, I can't actually play recess today because I gotta go mountain biking with Al. Like,
That's some BS.
literally.
You don't
I'm
love
sorry, dude. I'm sorry. Dude.
Mountain
I
I'll,
do
biking
love you
with
guys.
Al.
I'll host some games. I'll host some.
Yeah, Mechanical will host some. Mechanical, are you gonna stream today? I'll let people raid your channel if you want.
I could stream Fortnite.
Yeah, you could do Fortnite or
I'm
something.
thinking about starting.
Or even yeah.
If any of you guys want to start streams, I'm happy to like raid y'all's channels. Like, you're cool, dude. Just
raid.
raid is so what a raid. What happens is, like, for instance, everyone who's watching the stream right now would end up going onto your stream. It's a good way for you to get like massive amounts of like viewers like right away. But anyways. Wow. Okay, so here, cool. So we got the answers 31 over 12. Okay, but that's kind of a weird thing to say. Like, if I told like Cypher, like, yo, dog, I need you to cut your shit up
Yeah,
into
fat cock.
31 over 12 inches pieces, right? Yeah. That's not really good.
His dick? What?
No, his poop, dude, not his dick, dude. His poop.
Oh.
His poop, dude. Okay.
I feel sorry.
So
for
what I want to
Dick
do is I want to convert this back into a mixed fraction. And Mark, you almost have it. I want to convert this back, right? Okay. To a mixed
Sure.
fraction. Does anyone know how to convert this back to a mixed fraction?
Demented, check
Um,
right now. See ya.
Subtract it from the bottom and then divide it by the thing.
Not quite. Mark has
Just
it.
divide it, right?
Yeah.
Divide it and have the remainder.
Well, yeah, divide it with the remainder is what you do. So how many times does 12 go into 31?
Twice.
Twice. good. So you have 2, right? And then 2 times 12 is 24, right? So what's the
24
remainder to
minus
get to 31?
31 minus 24.
Good, which is 7. The remainder
So
is
you're gonna
7,
have
and then what do I
2
put? What do I put on the fraction here?
7 over
12.
12.
12.
Good. Nice, Mark. You had that earlier. That's good. And you can always check this, guys. You can always check to make sure this is right, because, right, 2 times 12 plus 7, right? That's 24 plus 7. That's 31 all over, again, 12 again. So, yeah, that's the right answer. So, good. Awesome. Cool. Dope. Sick. Awesome. Hi, Meat Man. Hi. What's up? Nice to see you, Meat Man.
Hey.
Who's Meat Man? Meep used to be like the word that
Hi.
me and my ex used to always say to each other. We'd be like, meep, meep. Like, whenever
Dr.
things were, like,
Cole, do you know
wrong.
who this is?
Who is... Oh, is this Noel? No, did you change your name to Meat Man?
No, I'm on my friend's PC.
Oh, okay, cool. Good to see you. I recognize that voice, bro.
Good friends.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got a question.
You do have a question. Yours is coming up next. So, one sec. Let me get,
Makes no sense.
let me give,
Yo, Charles.
fucking...
Yo, what's up?
Charles.
Did you understand the transforming, like, the equations?
I haven't looked at it yet. I'm gonna have to look
The
at
delta
it.
math?
Yeah, I haven't looked
I
at
was
it.
already due.
Oh, there was one that I didn't do. I think I got like a 92 on it. Because it was like the gravity one, you know, a huge
That's
control.
what I'm trying to do right now.
All right,
Makes
let's
no
do
sense.
it. Here we go. Is this physics? You guys doing physics? What is this?
No, it's just
No.
algebra 2.
What the fuck? This is physics, dog. This isn't algebra 2.
I know, but like we're just solving for L. And I don't
Okay,
know
the
what it
formula
wants
to
us do.
determine the period of one swing of a simple pendulum is T is equal to 2 pi squared L over G. Blah, 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 all this shit, right? Solve for L in terms of that. Okay, cool.
So we're solving for L.
Yeah, okay, yeah. Do you guys...
All right, so
So what...
T
Yeah,
equals 2 pi square root of L over G.
Yes,
So
good.
we want to subtract 2 pi both sides.
no, you don't want to subtract 2 from both sides. Again, what is the 2 pi...
2 pi.
What is the 2 pi doing to this thing?
Shit, I don't know.
It's 2 pi times the square root of L over G.
Times square root.
Right. Do you see? Whenever you have like two things like just right next to each other, this usually means they're multiplying by each other. You know, they're like mating or
Yeah.
something. I don't know.
So it's that minus 2 pi on each side.
No,
or-
no, 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 no. Remember, in algebra, always work from the outside in. Okay. So the variable of interest here, guys, is the L. Right. I'm trying to get the L by itself. I'm trying to take an L, whatever the fuck.
So square both sides.
You could square both sides. That's not the worst strategy, but the easier thing is look at what's the furthest away from that variable that you're looking for and do the opposite of what's happening. So what's the furthest thing away from this L? Like what's
What do you mean by first?
T,
Yeah,
the T.
T.
the 2? Good. Yeah, the 2. Do you see this number?
Good.
Literally on this side of the equal sign, like what's the furthest away? Usually sometimes it's literally like the distance away. But yeah, it's the 2. The 2 is the furthest away. And similarly, honestly, I'm just gonna say the 2 pi. I'm gonna like group this as like one number, right? 2 pi is basically a number. It's 6.28 something. So you gotta ask yourself, what is the 2 pi doing to the L? What is it doing?
Multiplying.
It's multiplying. Good. So what you're gonna do is the opposite of that. So what's the opposite of multiplying?
Divide. Oh, you
Good.
divide.
Thank you. Good. So I divide by 2 pi on both sides, okay? What that does is that cancels this, right? So now I have T over 2 pi is equal to the square root of L over G.
L over G.
Okay,
and
cool.
now you to get rid of the square root.
Yes, now what? Now you what?
To get rid of the square root, you have to square it.
Good, yes. Yes, so now the next thing that's happening to it is the square root is attacking it. And the way to get rid of square roots is to square something, so we're going to square both sides, okay?
Oh.
So now I have T over 2 pi,
2
all of that squared, is equal to L
equals
over G.
L over G.
Last step, what's the last thing happening to this L?
It's still over G, and we're trying to get it by itself.
Yeah,
so
so
we
what
have
do we
to.
do?
We have to get rid of the G.
How do we get rid of the G?
Do we multiply by reciprocal?
Yes. What? Multiply by reciprocal? What? Well, yeah, I guess.
Wait.
Yes. What? No. Just multiply by G.
Wait.
Just multiply by G.
Oh, multiply by G.
Yeah. The reciprocal of G is technically 1 over G, and you don't want to multiply by 1 over G. You want to multiply by G.
So it's gonna be. So L equals to G parentheses T
Over 2
over 2. How do you do pi on a computer?
pi.
Oh, never mind, it's right here.
There's
2
a button.
pi
You're very welcome, Mark. You're very welcome. Thank you for learning.
2 squared.
So there, and technically we can simplify this. If I have like A over B, all of that squared, what's another way to write that?
can't do the squared part.
So you can write this as a squared over b squared, right? You can distribute the square.
Yeah. Oh,
Okay.
yeah. You
So
can-
how would I distribute the square in terms of this? Because usually parentheses are like, I don't really like them.
T squared.
T squared.
And
And then what else?
wouldn't it just be 4 pi?
So it'd be over 4 pi squared. Okay.
Pi squared.
You got to square both of these things. You got to square the 2 and you got to square the pi. It's 4 pi squared.
All right.
So this is your.
All right. It said it was right.
Okay,
go.
good, cool.
And now one more.
All right, throw it up, dude. Okay, cool.
This one should be a bit easier.
Okay. Let's see.
Doesn't have to do anything with
It's
physics.
so interesting. You guys are doing this is algebra 2, dude. What? This is like basic ass fucking algebra, dude. What? Okay, let me make sure I
Well,
get
it's
you the point.
confusing when you put in 20 variables.
Oh, well just treat those variables, dog, are they're just numbers, dude. They're just numbers. They're
Mhm.
they're numbers that haven't been assigned yet. That's all variables are. I know everyone always gets scared when they start seeing
No.
letters and shit. They're like, "Oh, I don't know what to do with the letters." And I'm just like, "Well, the letters, just think of it as like, I don't know, someone was drunk and instead of writing 6, they wrote H or something, you know? Like it's just another number is all it is."
So, formula of the volume of a cone is V equals 1/3
Third.
pi r squared h,
Uh-huh.
where r is the radius of the cone, h is the height. Rewrite the formula, solve for the positive value of r in terms of h and v.
Yeah, good, sure. Okay. So what's
Alright,
again,
so
what's the
we're-
strategy?
We can just subtract h on both sides.
Okay, well, first of all, the H is the H adding. It's the H adding.
Oh no, it's multiplying.
It's multiplying. Good. Yeah. So no, you're not going to subtract H. Remember, you always got to do the opposite of what's happening, right? The H is multiplying. So
divide h on both sides.
yes, good. Yes, divide by H on both sides, right? So now you have V over H is equal to
Equals
1/3 pi r squared.
r
Right. See how that
squared.
cancels? Okay. What else? What next?
Yeah. Well, we can get rid of the 1/3 pi. Or well, no, we can just get rid of 1/3 pi.
Yeah, good. You can get rid of the 1/3 pi. How could I get rid of the 1/3 pi?
Just divide by it.
Yeah. So I divide by 1/3 pi, right, on both sides.
Both sides.
Which, okay, Mark, dude, here's where it's coming in. You see how we're dividing some fractions? Oh shit! It's like,
No, I'm not paying attention.
okay, well, cipher, it's okay, dog. Okay. So here we go. So we have V over
Oh my God,
H
hang
is
on.
divided by 1/3 pi,
1/3
right? This is all equal to r
pi.
squared. So what am I gonna do? How do I divide these two things?
Flip the second term and multiply straight
Good.
across.
So what's the flip of that gonna be?
3/1.
3/1. What about the pi?
Oh shoot! What do you do with the pi?
Okay, so
Uh-oh.
another way to write 1/3 pi, guys, is to write that as pi over 3.
Oh, okay.
Do you see that? Like 1/3 times pi. I can pull this bitch and just put it on the top, right? It's pi over 3.
So now just multiply straight across.
Well, no. This is dividing, so like I still gotta flip. What do I gotta do? I'm doing V over H, Philip, divided by pi over 3. What does that become? Dividing fractions, easy as pie. Flip the second and multiply.
Wait, do we not? Oh, okay.
We haven't
It's
flipped it
3
yet.
over pi. 3 over pi.
Good. Times 3 over pi.
Nice.
Nice, dude. Good. Okay, cool.
Equals r squared.
Good. So now you can multiply through, right?
So,
So now this is 3v over
3v
over,
h pi.
over h pi. Good.
Dr. Gold, I got a question.
Yes. What's up, bro?
Since pi is infinite, how would you do it?
Pi is
what
not
you just
infinite.
did.
Pi is
I think it
Oh, I thought it was infinite.
no. Pi is irrational, is what we say. So irrational means that I can't write it as a fraction. That's what we mean by irrational.
Oh, it's because it's on repeated,
Oh,
right?
pi.
Has like a re-
Well, it's not on repeat. Pi has an infinite number of numbers after it, right? Pi is like 3.14592 I don't know, like something like that, right? That's what they
Yeah.
mean by infinite. Like the number keeps going on.
3.14159. Yeah,
It just keeps.
I saw it.
In that case, in that sense, yes, it is. Pi is kind of infinite, but you can always just kind of approximate pi's to be 3.14 whenever you're doing the actual math.
Wait,
Nice of you.
wait. So there's still r squared, right?
Yes, good. We're not done
So
yet.
it's a square root.
Good. Yes, good, dude. Last thing, square root.
Okay.
Square root both sides, right? So technically, what happens whenever you square root, you get plus or minus. Technically, this is plus or minus the square root of 3v over pi h, right?
Over.
Is equal to r. But they want the positive solution, so we're gonna get rid of this, right?
It says it was wrong. Wait, no, wait, hold on.
Square-
I can't. How do I get the square root on all of it?
There's a button, Philip.
There's a button. Another way you can write square roots, you could do this. You could say 3v over pi
Wait,
h.
Charles, look.
You could write to the 1/2.
Charles, look at my screen. It won't like let me put it all over the whole thing.
I gotta look.
Did I do that? No.
No, you gotta delete the whole thing. You gotta delete it.
Yeah,
and
it's
then-
sometimes weird with those gooey
Oh, there
things
you go.
for like, yeah, you got it.
There you go. All right, we're good.
Nice, good. Sick. So yeah.
Oh shoot! Wait, Charles, do you have honors chem?
Yeah.
Dude, I have the test tomorrow.
Yeah.
I don't even know what it's about.
Yeah, I know.
Just probably everything we learned. It's not like the final test for the unit. It's just like a quiz.
Yeah.
Solubility curves.
Ooh, solubility curves. Those are fun.
Those are easy though. Wait, I have a question.
Yes,
Yo.
Phil.
Quick one.
Yes.
So, when is water most soluble at?
Oh, okay.
Is it low
Uh,
temperature or high pressure?
It would be like somewhere like in 50.
I think it's high
50
temperature.
50
I think
Celsius.
yeah, I think it's high temperature.
Soluble means like it's like more liquid form, right?
Well, no. So you're thinking viscosity. Viscosity means like more liquid form. Solubility.
Oh, yeah.
Solubility refers to like how much solute, how much solid shit you can like mix into the liquid. You ever like tried to like make Gatorade? Well, maybe you guys don't make Gatorade with like powder. But
Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid. There you go. You ever notice that like if you put like too much Kool-Aid powder, it tastes all like gritty and stuff, right?
Yeah.
That's an example of a solution being in what we call like a super saturated state, which is like the solute, which is the Kool-Aid powder. There's too much of it to like dissolve into the solvent, which in this case is the water. Yeah. This is actually kind of a cool thing.
Wait, Dr. Gold, do you sell the one with the physics one? The physics answer?
Yeah, somewhere. Wait, fuck, no, that's...
No, it was farther.
No,
right there.
Right here?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah, what's up?
My friend Charles needs it.
Oh, okay. Here, I'll just
Wait, what was the answer?
Here,
again?
I'll just download this as a PNG and I'll put it on
Put it in office hours.
I'll put it in office hours for you real quick. Error saving the I don't give a fuck, dude. What? Error saving the photo. Suck my dick. What? Why can't I save this, dude? What? Okay, there we go. That's what I want. And then here, I'll upload it real quick for you.
There you go.
Did it come in?
Shut the fuck up.
Is that your dog? Oh, wait, no, that's a blank page, dude. That didn't do anything for you. God damn it.
Oh, yeah.
I swear to God. Okay,
Oh,
so these
nice.
guys on horses are like just passing by our house, doing
Yeah.
nothing wrong. And every time they do, my dogs fucking freak out.
Yeah. Is this the dog that
Oh my
shit all
God,
over your
that's
floor
fucking-
yesterday or something, dude?
Nah, that's Lily, the big one.
That's the big one. Lily does not sound like a very big name, dude.
She is.
Yeah, there you go. Okay, cool. Nice. All right, there you go, Phil. That's the answer. It's in there.
Alright, thank you.
Cool. Good. All right.
Nice, thank you.
So yeah, a solution is always what we call like a solvent plus a solute. Okay. This is always like the liquid thing, basically, and this is usually like the powder that you're like mixing in. Okay. Every solubility refers to like how much solute you can mix in the solvent. So solubility is
Yeah, I'm
like,
back.
I missed you. Solubility is how much solute I can mix in the solvent. Okay. So, Philip, you asked like when does something have the highest solubility, right?
Yeah, when does water? I think that's gonna be a question.
I think when it's warm, I think when it's hot, I think hot water is the easiest because what's happening is the molecules are. So what's happening is the molecules are moving around a lot quicker, right? Which allows them to like mix in with the other shit easier. I think that's like my basic interpretation of it. Which I think you also want to have. I think low pressure. Let me see. Actually, that's a good question. Here, let's Let's do this. What is this?
PhD in physics and doesn't even know.
Well, I don't know everything in
Aye.
chemistry, and dude, like I don't know everything in everything, dude, because like you know I'm a human, dude. When is water most soluble? I'm gonna guess here. Let me guess. I'm gonna guess highest temperature and lowest pressure.